Aloha everyone. We are in downtown Honolulu. Behind me we have Iolani Palace, where the ancient royalty kings of Hawaii used to live. We are going to explore. I don't know how much I can videotape inside, but I'm going to take as much as I can. We're also going to explore a little bit more of downtown Honolulu, Waikiki, and Chinatown. So stick with us. Are you ready? I know I am. Mahalo, aloha, let's go do this. All right, so we watched an intro video and now we're just waiting to go inside. You cannot have open-toe shoes inside, so they give you protectors for your shoes. And for the little guys, they get a specific palace stroller. Yes, and that's mainly so they don't run off and sit on the king's throne, because that's just something he would do.
Or daddy would do.
Something I would do too.
Daddy needs a stroller.
I need a stroller, yeah. right, that is Iolani Palace, and wow, I definitely got a history lesson today about this building and the entire Hawaiian culture, everything that came to be. I was gonna combine this video with like Waikiki and Chinatown, but I'm gonna save that for the very next video. This has got to be its own video. What do you guys think?
It was amazing.
Awesome, a lot of rich history.
Yeah,
A lot of information.
like 120-ish years old. This was the last royal dynasty here in the state of Hawaii. It's a tragic past, but I think that exists in every civilization. But what came to be, how the United States took the land from the Hawaiian people, but also what would have become if they weren't taken over by the United States. So I guess there's kind of cons and pros to both. Everything in here is mostly original. All that gold, 23 karat gold, it's priceless, absolutely priceless. There's still a lot of artifacts that they're still looking for in this palace that were taken away once the monarchy was pushed out. But let me know what you guys thought of this palace. Have you been here before? And what did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. I was absolutely fascinated, and for $35 for a fully guided tour, you cannot go wrong. If you come to Hawaii, to the island of Oahu, this is a must. This used to be the capital of the state of Hawaii. Now the actual capital is the building right behind this one. I hope you loved it. Larry, it sounds like you really, really loved it. Thank you for recommending this, by the way. And if you guys loved it, do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, click the bell notification icon so you don't miss any future uploads. And there are gonna be lots of future uploads as we continue our adventure hunting here in the beautiful state of Hawaii on Oahu. So until the next video, mahalo and aloha.